Good day mga Babs, again welcome to another episode of Life of Mr. Babs. So today, Sunday ulit, family day. Of course, we're gonna go to church later. Tapos kain lang tayo, little errands with the family. So follow us throughout the day. See you guys.
Good morning, Mr. Babs.
Morning, Mr. Babs.
Oh, lagyan din natin si Ace ng pagkain niya today.
Like that, Mommy.
Okay, now
Here you go, Bob. Hi, Mommy. Pipi now.
Yan.
Okay mga Babs, ngayon naman pag tayo sa Metro Central. Paglaruin lang natin yung mga bata. Tapos kakain tayo ng lunch. Mamaya na tayo mag-shower. Tayo lahat na dito. Later shower. Chloe, say, where are you going?
I'm going in the market and trainer market. Yay! Atin na inog!
Let's go! So ito yata bagong palaruan dito sa Santa Cruz sa amin.
What's that?
Chloe, your turn!
Come, Ranking! Let's go to that trampoline. Come on.
Okay mga Babs, tapos na maglaro mga bata. Now it's time to eat. Tama nga sinabi nila, tara kain.
Bangos, boneless bangos. Isang sisling
Yung sizzling bulalo.
sisling bulalo. Bulalo steak. Oh, bulalo steak. At saka isa nito, potato chips.
Where?
Which one?
Point.
Okay na po. And this is hot ha? Up, 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 and stop. Up, up.
Ito mga Babs, dumating yung bagong fence natin para din sa kama sa loob. Kaya assemble muna natin. Let's go! Walk there, walk! Ay mga Babs, punta tayo ng church today.
Today,
Yes.
Mr. Babs.
Let's go. Ha? Pila. Jollibee tayo. Ayan. I got it. Anong tawag dito? Ito pala. Coco melon? This one? This one? Go. Get that one? Yes? Oh, let's go there. Let's go.
It's Pomelo!
You open it, Daddy.
Okay.
Oh, you try with your brother, anak. Oh, camera look. Camera look. It's Cocomelo. And then, letters. Kompleto.
Alright mga Babs, we are home now. Thank you for watching this episode of Life with Mr. Babs. We'll see you guys again real soon.